Hi guys! Today we're going to work on Canva. So you were over at the Canvas page, you saved the photo, the template, okay? You typed in Canva. Now you're going to come over here, you're going to click Create a Design. You can pause this video whenever you need to, okay, but make sure you're following along with it, alright? You're going to click Custom Size, you're going to type in 2048, 2048. Create new design. You're going to come over here to upload. You're going to upload media. Okay. Downloads is where this photo probably is. You're going to find the photo. You're going to open it. Put it on here and make it as big as the page. Okay. Now, you need to think about what kind of things a race car has. So, a race car has numbers, they have sponsors, they have graphics, okay? So, race cars have numbers, sponsors, and they have graphics. So, they have really cool lines and things like that. If you need to look up different race cars to see what they look like, you're welcome to do that, okay? Today, your main priority, though, is to get your numbers on there and your sponsor. So, if we look over here, we have elements, uploads, text, we have all kinds of stuff. So we can add a text. So I want my number to be 55, okay? And we can put our number on here. And your number needs to go on the roof and on the sides, on the tail light and the headlight. But you can come over here and change your font. So I want my font to be this racing font. But this is really cool. You can change the color of your font to make it red. And then, if I click Effects right here, I can change it. So I can make it look like that. I can even do this here. So watch this. I can copy and paste it. Okay. Go to Effects, change it back. Change the color. And then I have an outline. It's kind of hard to see, but I have an outline right there. So I can copy and paste the number, move the number here, and then do the same thing. I go to Effects, make the outline, copy, paste, get solid, and make this background red though. Just like that. So you need number here, here. Actually, these need to be turned upside down. Okay. Need a number here. Need a number here. And then you need one on the headlight. Okay. Now, to find sponsors, what you can do is you can go to Elements and you can type in something that you want to sponsor your car. So it could be Bass Pro, it could be Chick-fil-A, but you're not going to find a lot here. So you can always go over here and type in a sponsor. I'm going to do Bass Pro. Or actually, you can even do a meme if you want to. You can do anime. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. So I'm going to save this. I double click and save it. Save image as. Go back over here. Uploads. If it's here, you just drag and drop it. Click it to put it in here. And then you all can't do this part, but I can, and I'll take care of it later. But see how it has the white background on it? I pay for Canva, so I have extra things, so I can take the background off of it, which I will take care of that for you all later. So today you need to put all your numbers on and focus on your sponsors. And see, there's little sponsors here. You can put a sponsor here, back here. This is the tailgate, so this is like the back bumper. This is the front bumper. So you can put sponsors all over this place, okay? So I want you all working on that. If you get finished with that, then you can start adding some graphics and things like that, okay? All right, bye guys.